Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today in this video we are going to make a slime. For making a slime you need an activator called Borax. Borax activator is used to make slimes. Most of people are confused with where they can get the borax. It's commonly available on almost all the grocery stores. In India you can call it as suhaga. Suhaga is also called as borax in English. So we can make slime using suhaga. First of all, for making slime you need an activator. We'll put some water in a container. Then we have borax powder, as you can see in the picture. We need to grind this borax to make its powder. You'll get this kind of powder, borax powder, that you need to make slimes using borax activator. We'll put half tablespoon of borax powder into our container in which we have taken water. Then we will stir this mixture for some time. Now we will add some glue. We have taken this clear glues which we use for making some arts and crafts. You can also use Fevicol. This is white glue and this is clear glue. We will be using a clear glue. We'll make the slime using clear glue. We'll pour the glue into our container. You can pour as much as you want. Now you can also add some water into it. Now we have to mix it properly. Glue and water are completely mixed. You can add some borax mixture, borax water mixture into our glue mixture. We'll need to shake it properly. You can see the slime is getting ready. Perfect. You can also add some color to give it some color. We will add some black color. To make our slime black. You will see a properly mixed, perfectly shaped slime. We have got beautiful slime ball. We can also add some moisturizer to make it more creamy. As you can see, our hands are completely clear. It's nowhere sticking to our hands or our bowl. It's so patchy. Slime is ready.